Good morning, Mr. Railroad Man. What time's your train roll by? 9:15, 2:44, 25 minutes till 5. Thank you, Mr. Railroad Man. Wanna watch your train roll by? 9:15, 2:44, 25 minutes till 5. I'm standing on a platform, smoking a big cigar, waiting for an old freight train. Carries an empty car, rode her down to Danville town. Got stuck on a Danville girl. Yeah, you bet your life she was a pearl. She wore the Danville curl. Wore the hat on the back of her head, not like me wearing it all up front over my eyeglasses I can barely see. She wore the hat on the back of her head like I know people all do. And the very next train come down the line. Sadly, I bid the girl adieu, and many times I wish I stayed longer. Wish I had been with people who I was with longer. Wish I hadn't taken off, gone on this odyssey that never seemed to end, till I finally got struck, not by lightning, but by cancer. Sure changed me. Good morning, Mr. Railroad Man. What time do your trains roll by? At 9:15, 2:44, 25 minutes till 5.